G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 13th of the 5th, 2015, and it's 26 to 10 in the morning. And I came across, put some bird feed out. Wasn't expecting anything yet to come up before I do my walks. But look at this. I'm trying to speak softly. So I don't want to startle this one too much. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm probably no more than 10 to 15 feet away from this bird. Wow. There's 4 of them just rocked up. And there's 2 rocked up here. And we've got a couple of crows as well. Oh, wow. Wow. I've never seen the red ones that aggressive. The red and blue ones. Wow, that's a first. Wow. That there was a first. Normally the red ones scatter from it, but this one here is normally not aggressive, this one here. I'm surprised the red and blue ones, red, blue and black ones are that aggressive. Normally they're not. His feathers went flying. But this one over here, he's normally the aggressive one. There he is. Oh, he's flying down. I'm trying to catch this, they move so fast. Wow. That one in the tree there, he normally is the one that is aggressive. Every time I've caught it, every time I've seen it, he's the one chasing other birds away. Even bigger birds as well. But this one, these two here are really aggressive today. I might record this for a little bit before I go do my videos. There he is, he's down here now on the left hand side. Wonder if this one here will chase him away. Just watching. Yep, there he goes. Ah, yep. And of course the magpie comes along the store. It spoils the show for everybody. Oh well. Got this one over here. This one, yeah. That surprised me. It really surprised me. And this one's just gonna get a feed underneath the magpie. And now this one's trying to assess what they can do with the magpie. You got this one and Buddy in the tree trying to assess what they can do with the magpie. Oh well. I'm going to head off there and let them have their fun. The lake's a little bit rough today. We're pretty sheltered at the moment, but yeah. It's not too windy here. Now this bird's become a ground feeder now because of the magpie. Oh well. He's still high enough, that magpie. The magpie just gives a look, yeah. Okay. So what? This poor little other bird doesn't know what to do. Ah. Poor little birds, they've got tails on them, tails on them not. Oh, this one's eyeing off the magpie. Or looking down. Oh well. It's flying back down there. Another bird got to have a go at it again. Magpie's just got to go, I'm eating, I'm having fun, having me feast. Then you can have whatever left over. Oh, there, he's back again. Scared the other one. Oh well. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.